Today I'm going to show you how to protect your documents with IRM while they're offline in Microsoft Word. Right, so the first thing we want to do is go over to the left-hand side into File, come down to Options, look for Trust Center. Now, you'll only be able to access this if you are using the Microsoft Word desktop version, which is a paid version. You cannot do this if you're using the web version. So from here, go ahead, click on Trust Center Settings, and the one that we're looking for over here on the left side is the Protected View, and it's the second option. Enable Protected View for files located in potentially unsafe locations. This is files located locally. The first one is Enabled Protection View for files originating from the internet, and this one over here, the last one, is enabling protection for Outlook attachments. So make sure that this is selected. Okay, so when it's selected, files located in your unsafe folders, such as your temporary internet files, will open in protected mode. Make sure that it's on. Go ahead, click on OK to save those settings. You will also need administrative permissions to do this. So if you are not the administrator of this account, you won't be able to actually have access to this.